this is Emmimal Asaiyan. I did my multidisciplinary course in Labmedexpert. My background is I did bachelor's in biotechnology and I did master's in clinical microbiology. I was doing my master's in Swansea University. My friends told me that the Labmedexpert is good, so they already did the course here. So I got all the positive feedback, so that's why I came here. When I started the course here, I chose a multidisciplinary course, but the 3 course comes in under the multidisciplinary microbiology, biochemistry, and histology. So I started with the histology and I did the microbiology and biochemistry. In histology, I started with all the practical knowledge. So I enjoyed a lot because I did everything on my own. So I get access to use all the instruments. So I really enjoyed a lot, and I got access to see how the things working in NHS. One day I saw how to do the tissue cut up, the real tissue cut up, the things, how the things doing in NHS. So I saw that. I was really enjoyed it because it's all new to me, and I really enhanced my knowledge in that career. So after that I did microbiology. It's all theory part, but but they gave little more practical knowledge as well. And I did biochemistry. So in biochemistry I found more knowledge in computers too. So I get access to use the machines and everything. It's all really costly machines, but I really did very well, and I enhanced knowledge about the instruments, how the things are working inside. And before this course, I literally don't know how to use all the machines, because in our masters and bachelors we are only we are in a theory part, but we are not going with the practical part deep inside. But when I'm doing course here, I literally enjoyed because it's all full practical. After the practical knowledge, I really think that I'm capable to do the job in NHS. So it's really keeping me positive because I got all the practical knowledge. So I can do, if I got the job anywhere, I can do whatever the job it is, I can do. Any negative comments, it's like if it's too crowd, means it's a little bit rush for me to get the things. If it's too fast, I can't get, because I need to stop there and I have to listen what's things going on there, and I have to listen. So that's the only thing I have to say.